teachers and even homeschool parents manage effective reading instruction in order to prevent burnout while also providing high quality instruction. And in this video, I'm going to actually share with you my top 25 gift ideas for your favorite teacher over the holiday season. And we're going to try to do this entire video under 10 minutes. The first gift idea is a teacher tumbler, and these are perfect for teachers because they allow beverages to stay hot and to stay cold. So it doesn't matter if a teacher's drinking hot chocolate or coffee in the morning or just a good old ice cold water in the afternoon. This teacher tumbler is amazing, and it actually quotes, "The influence of a great teacher is never erased." Now, the next gift idea is a teacher tote bag that actually says, "The influence of a great teacher can never be erased." And this is perfect for teachers to hold all of their daily supplies as they go to and from work. The next gift idea are teacher socks. These warm socks are perfect as teachers say goodbye to teaching and hello to their warm, comfy couch over the holiday season. They actually say, if you can read this teacher is off duty. The next gift idea is a teacher blanket that will keep them warm and motivated with all of these amazing teacher quotes, such as, "I'm rocking that teacher life, don't make me use my teacher voice," and so much more. Now, this teacher idea is definitely for a teacher that has a little bit of a sense of humor, and this is actually a candle that says, "Teacher's last nerves, oh look, it's on fire." And it's perfect for that perfect teacher that has a little bit of sense of humor as they light it up after a long day of teaching. Now, our next idea is perfect for a holiday Christmas tree, and it is simply a teacher ornament, one that they can hold dear and close to their heart as they remember you each and every holiday season. This teacher ornament actually quotes, "To teach is to touch the future." Now, the next gift idea is also a holiday idea, and it is a holiday snuggie. These snuggies are perfect for laying around during the holiday season, binge watching their favorite shows, and will be perfect for any teacher looking to just relax and enjoy their time off. Our next gift idea is a teacher bookmark. In fact, teachers love to read, so why not give that special teacher something to remember you with as they read their favorite book? And the really cute thing is it says, "Thank you for being a part of my story." Oh my goodness, so cute. The next gift idea is teacher apparel. You know, shirts, totes, hoodies that all say "Wake, Pray, Teach." Period. Now, the great thing about the Everything Aja apparel is that it actually comes in white and black, meaning that you get to choose which one you like the best. Now, we talked about the teacher with a sense of humor, but what about the teacher that wants a work-life balance? This next gift idea is a glass holder, and it's perfect for that teacher with, once again, a sense of humor. One that likes coffee in the morning and likes to turn up with a little bit of wine in the afternoon. Now, the next gift idea is a pencil organizer so that every time that special teacher goes to grab a pencil, they'll think about you or even your child. This pencil organizer says, "My favorite people call me teacher." I can imagine it on my desk, so I'm sure you can imagine it on theirs. Now, the next gift idea is a teacher plaque, and this is just a great way of saying thank you for all of your hard work. This plaque quotes, "It takes a big heart to shape little minds," and it's perfect for a teacher's classroom or even their home decor. Now, speaking of decor, why not add some pizzazz to your favorite teacher's keys by giving them a teacher keychain that says, "It takes a big heart to teach little ones." The next gift idea is literally a gift that kind of keeps on giving, and gift cards allow teachers to really, buy whatever it is that they want to buy. So you can actually work smarter, not harder, and just gift them with the Amazon gift card. Now, the next gift is also a gift that keeps on giving, and our next gift is a teacher gift box. Gift baskets and boxes are great as they come with lots of different goodies that just warms your heart. This teacher gift box in particular comes with a tumbler, a mug, a tote, a bookmark, a keychain, and a bracelet. It's literally the gift that keeps on giving, and you don't even have to wrap it. Our next gift idea are teacher plants. You know, a plant that comes in a teacher pot, because you're probably like, what is a teacher plant? This gift comes with 3 plants that say, "For the best teacher ever," and this will add decor and will continue to grow and add ambiance of any teacher's home or even their classroom. Now, we all like being warm, especially during the cold winter months. So why not gift your favorite teacher a fleece hoodie, keeping them warm and cozy on the go? Now, all of these teacher gifts are great, but what about self-care? Well, coming in at our next gift, we have a spa gift basket that is filled with tons of body smell goods. This spa gift basket is the perfect gift to let any teacher just unwind, relax, and let down their hair. And you might be thinking, relax from what? Well, all of the many tasks a teacher has to keep up with, so why not also gift them with a wristwatch? Now, we just talked about self-care, but let's talk about just the calming of their minds. So many people are into natural stones and whatnot, so why not gift your favorite teacher a natural stone bracelet with a really cute quote about being a great teacher? And keeping with the relaxing theme going, you can also gift your favorite teacher some cozy slippers, keeping their feet warm and cozy all winter long. Now, since their feet are cozy, why not give them a teacher notebook that allows for them to journal their thoughts, write down notes, or even just doodle? And as they're doodling, you can also gift them with a dark chocolate gift box, keeping their stomachs nice and full during the holiday season. Now, during the holiday seasons, teachers tend to get a little lazy, so this next gift allows them to charge their smartphone without even looking for a charger. And last but not least, teachers absolutely love Harry Potter, and it surely promotes literacy. So why not gift any perfect Harry Potter teacher fan this beautiful Harry Potter decor? I think we did a good job. Let me know down below in the comments which one of these gift ideas are you gonna give your favorite teacher over the holiday season. And no, having a gift is one way to say thank you, I appreciate all that you do, but what about pairing that gift with a good old book? That means you need to watch this video so that you can know what book goes perfect with your gift.